美國北卡羅來納州發生商務噴射機墜毀事故，當局證實造成7人死亡。肇事機場已經關閉，直至另行通知。
出事嘅小型商務噴射機喺機場墜毀之後着火，現場冒起濃濃嘅黑煙。飛行追蹤記錄顯示，飛機喺上晝10點06分由斯泰茨維爾機場起飛冇幾耐就折返，嘗試降落嘅時候出事。根據一個天氣預報網站嘅資訊，飛機墜毀嘅時候落住微雨。
The city did respond to a crash here at the airport this morning at about 10:15. It's been a multi-agency response. We've had city, county, state, feds are here.
We got a report of a corporate jet that crashed off the end of the runway on the east end. When actually I came out, it was already fully involved.
肇事飛機由北卡州一間私人公司擁有，國家運輸安全委員會同聯邦航空總署正係調查事故原因。